The group drafted in previous Aspra and Pramac Ducati rider Yanni Hernandez for the opening trial of the year at Sepang, yet the Colombian has an agreement to race in the World Superbike Championship with Pedersini and is a long shot for a full-time Tech3 part. Ponchral had already shown he needed to have a trade for Folger secured before the second test in Thailand this month, however he said finding a hopeful that would be reasonably aggressive on track and alluring to his backers was demonstrating a test. Shockingly, we are in late January, Ponchral told Cho's Media at Sepang. The vast majority of the great riders are marked, Superbike, Moto2, they are agreed upon. I think there is just a single rider who is totally free, Sandro Cortese, who lost his key for racing Moto2 ride when the group hit money-related trouble. So the rundown is short. Obviously, without lacking admiration to anybody, this is a M1, this M1 was on the platform a year ago. We know the level, we should be capable of for every one of our accomplices something that is very energizing. There are a few riders that are calling us, yet sadly we would prefer not to be on the lattice just to be on the framework. We might want to have something that is energizing. In a perfect world, I would have adored a youthful Moto2 rider. Be that as it may, they likewise have contracts. Right now, I am attempting to discover something that is energizing. Ducati test rider Michel Pirot was comprehended to be one of Ponchral's favored decisions to supplant Folger, yet that alternative seems to have been expelled. From my comprehension, Pirot is with a production line that until the point that the last race was battling for the big showdown, and dependably I read he was a basic piece of the hustling program, said Ponchral. I regard Ducati specialized boss Gigi D'Aligna a great deal, and everybody inside Ducati, and I can't envision Yamaha or Tech3 will do some contractual hostility to some restriction on track. For me it's essential, in life all in all, that, when you sign an archive, you read it. When you sign, this is on the grounds that it's the best offer you have. On the off chance that in the long run something better is coming, in some cases it's past the point of no return. Different contender to supplant Folger incorporate Moto2 racers Dominique Egerter, Hafiz Saez, and Hector Barbera, while Yamaha analyzer Cotton Nozon likewise remains a plausibility.